Welcome to the Agile Project Management Essentials course. This is the first course of a series of 8 that will form the Agile Project Management, the PMI-ACP Agile Certified Practitioner certification program. If you have followed a traditional project management approach and find yourself spending a lot of time fine-tuning the design to accommodate changing requirements, you may want to consider a different approach. In this course, you will be introduced to Agile project management, including the core values and principles outlined by the Agile Manifesto. Agile projects are characterized by the use of short work iterations and incremental development of products made possible by focusing on business priorities and customer value. The course provides an introduction to common Agile methodologies, describes the relationship between defined and empirical processes, and highlights the key difference in regard to the triangle of constraints of Agile versus traditional methods. My name is Sorin, and I will be your instructor. I am a trainer and project manager with more than 10 years of experience. Before Udemy, I trained hundreds of people in a classroom environment, civil servants, managers, project workers, aid workers, and many more. And I managed projects of more than 100 million US dollars in the fields of justice, corrections, regional development, and human resource development. And this course is intended for project managers, program managers, or anyone who wants to efficiently participate. It is aligned with the Agile and Certified Scrum Master learning objectives. The course includes training videos, examples, exercises and quizzes, and if you take your time to maintain your PMI certification. So thank you for enrolling to this course. Next you are going to learn more about the other sections of this program, just a short video to give you an overview of the whole. And after we are going to come back to our introduction to Agile project management.